Who wins in a dispute between a trademark owner who has first use but did not federally register their trademark versus a trademark owner who has subsequent use but owns a federal registration for the same trademark?
So I'll give you a real life case law example on that. There is Burger King, the food chain that we all know about, the corporation that started in Florida. There is Burger King, the restaurant that is in a suburb of Chicago that started many, many moons ago that's owned by a mom and pop store. Burger King, the corporation, ran their diligence, they did their clearance search, they applied for their federal registration, and they started to expand. They got to Chicago, they found this other restaurant in one of their spaces and sued them for trademark infringement. So now you're battling somebody who has a federal registration and which so automatically assumes coverage in the whole U.S. And what the court said, in effect, was you can, to the entity in Chicago, you can continue use of your Burger King trademark because you were first, but you can only use it in this 10-mile radius in a suburb of Chicago. Therefore, Burger King corporate controls the rest of the United States. So the federal registrant has a really strong presumption of control. The analogy I use is that if you get a federal registration, if it were a piece of Swiss cheese, the federal registration is the cheese, and the common law users, who may have started using first and may have a legitimate claim to a certain geographic region, are the holes in the cheese. So you can have a federal registration that has holes in it, but the federal registration has a much better control position, and you use it to pigeonhole in prior common law users, and then usually with that leverage they try and close them down. That's the basics.
Here are some simple steps for preventing a federal trademark registrant from limiting your ability to expand. First, make sure you're the only one using your trademark or any trademark that might be confusingly similar to yours. Second, federally register your trademark to gain control over jurisdictions that you do not currently do business in. Thirdly, monitor for uses of trademarks that are confusingly similar to yours. And fourth, take appropriate action if someone utilizes your trademark in a way that is potentially confusing to your customers.